Hey, how you doing? This Tom in this Tom's Radio Room show. I've been struggling trying to find something to review for you. Um, I got one new radio coming tomorrow, I believe. So then I started looking at books, especially the books you can get if you're a member of the Kindle Unlimited group, which costs, I think it's $9.99. Maybe it went up a month, and you can download books to read for free. And I found this one. This radio, this Quansheg, I may be pronouncing that wrong, radio. I've seen a lot of reviews and videos of it, and it's an amateur radio, plus it receives a lot of other frequencies, plus it's easy to modify. And I thought, man, maybe this book would be a good book to really give me some detailed information about their radios. They make mini radios, their radios, and possibly how difficult it is to modify them. So I'm going to get this. I'm going to download it. It's like I say, it's free for Kindle users, and so I can download it for free. You can go on Amazon, and down here you can read a sample, which turns out that sample is quite big, and it shows you pictures of all their different radios over the years, what their capabilities are. And let me see, does it have, I didn't see, yeah, here's a table of contents. And the stuff that's in gray is not in this sample. So you have to go right to, this is stuff that's in the sample, which quite a bit of stuff. Now, let me come down here. Okay, here's a step-by-step manual programming. I don't want to do manual programming. Here's understanding the VHF, UHF bands, reception and transmission. Has a some of them have spectrum analyzers. So this thing, it's got a wealth of information. So this should tell me which, if any, of those radios I should buy to review for you. And I was still looking for, here's digital modes, general information about using it. Trying to find, I didn't see, there's weather information, so you can get the weather channels. Example of what oh, here you go. Here's programming your radio for digital modes. That's what I'm interested in. You know, how easy is it to, number one, upgrade the firmware, and number two, add some new features via software. So I'm going to go through this this book and see how good these radios are, and whether I want to purchase one and which one to purchase. I'm definitely interested in purchase one of these. I've watched a lot of YouTube videos and kind of getting excited about this radio. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.